What is the average lifespan of a furnace blower motor? The average furnace blower motor lasts about 10 to 20 years, although maintenance, usage, motor quality, and installation can make that time shorter or longer. The blower motor is the part that spins a fan and pushes warmed air through your home's ductwork. A furnace may run more often in a cold climate, so its motor can experience more wear than one in a milder area. Keeping the air filter clean is one of the best ways to protect it, because a clogged filter makes the motor work harder to move air. Most filters should be checked every month and replaced or cleaned according to their instructions. Dust, loose wires, worn bearings, and weak capacitors can also cause trouble. One lesser-known fact is that many newer motors automatically adjust their speed, which can improve comfort and efficiency but may require specialized testing when they fail. Warning signs include unusual humming, squealing, rattling, slow airflow, overheating, or a furnace that starts and stops repeatedly. If the motor is noisy or the fan struggles to start, have a qualified technician test the motor, capacitor, and electrical connections before replacing anything. A common mistake is waiting until the blower stops completely, so arrange an inspection when you first notice strange sounds or weak airflow. Another mistake is using a filter that is too restrictive for the furnace, so follow the manufacturer's recommended size and filtration level. Some people also assume the entire furnace must be replaced when the motor fails, but a technician can often replace only the motor or its capacitor, so compare repair costs with the age and condition of the whole system. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.